Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. This is a guitar lesson for Feliz Navidad. This is my first year teaching it in lessons, having great fun with it, so I figured I'd do a lesson on it. Playlist should pop up right about now. I've done like a few other Christmas songs this year. If you're into Christmas songs or into non-Christmas songs, I've like a few hundred videos put up now at this stage, and there's going to be about 1,000 more in the next year. I'm really doubling down on content. So if you like this lesson and you want to keep up to date for other stuff, just hit the button below. I'm going to get into it. All right, here we go. Open chords. Who'd have thought you'd have so much fun with open chords? So it's D, then G. And for anybody who's watching going, I actually like open chords. I do too. I'm only kind of joking. So, yes, those are the ones we need. So here is the story. I have a link to an Ultimate Guitar sheet below this video. It's in the description. I've it vetted and it is correct, because I know sometimes Ultimate Guitar isn't correct. So we get D, and I usually start off with one D. Feliz Navi. Now we're going to get G now. I'm using the 4-finger G. You can use 3 if you wish, rather than the 4 for this one, and then just A. The rhythm is going down, down, up, down, down, up, up. So I'd go Feliz Navi, down, down, up, down, then A, down, up, down, up, D, down, up, down, up, D, down, up, down, up. Then G, then A, Felicidad, D, and I'll stop. Feliz Navi, and we go back in that way. Now, this bit here, you'll see the lyrics are tracked with the chords as well. So I'll play it again. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Feliz Navi, G, 2, 3, then A. Feliz Navi, D, 2, 3, 4, and stay. Feliz Navi, G, prospero A, and Feliz C, D, 2, 3, 4, 1. Feliz Navi, G. We do all that again. And see the way my hand is swinging that rhythm the whole time. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. A felicidad, 2, 3, here we go. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay, you won't actually need to speed it up that way when you play this, but this is just as an example of the tempo it actually goes at. Now the chords are G, A, D, same as before, but there's a B minor stuck into this. Now, to get from D to B minor, note the way my thumb will disappear down the back of the neck to get my bar chord finger straight. Otherwise, you can do it this way, but it's a bit more of a crumpled affair. An easier alternative for B minor would be the 4-fingered one, which is basically like your 4-fingered F shape moved up a fret and down a string. The ultimate easy one is if you play A and move your index finger up and your ring finger down. It's very ringy outy though, making up words here as I go, but it could help. So, I wanna wish you a... Now, here we go. It goes down, 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 A. That would be the first type of rhythm I'd suggest you try. I am only going 4 downs. You'd go G, G. But in between each one, I'm cutting it out with my rhythm hand. G, 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 G. And the side of my hand I'm cutting it out with is this side. Watch out that you don't do this side. That's how I'm working it. So, we get G, 2, 3, 4, then A. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Now the other one I was doing was going like this. First thing to note is my G chord, I relax it while I do those first 2 strums. And the first 2 strums are happening on the E and the A string. Now, if you've never done anything like that before, it's one of those things that suggests keep going at it. Of course, go at it like so slow. Like if you're going down, up, down, down, up, down. And you notice every time I hit my G here, I relax my fingers straight after. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And on A, these would be the two. Down, up, down. And on Pam, using it here. So I have my palm rested on the bridge, and then I'm going down, up, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down. Then D, down, up, down. And it'll be 4 on each, just instead of going G, mute, G, mute, G, mute, you're fitting in that tacka ahead of it with the more difficult one. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry from the bottom of my heart. And just at the end I go down, up, down, up, and I snap it off. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. And that's another type of rhythm there we can try as well. Now, with these rhythms, you can do any types of rhythms with them. A tip I'd have for that other one that I just did, you may hear such a disconnect at the beginning that you go, my one doesn't sound anything like Dave's. But the thing is, it reaches a certain speed, and that's when you'll start to hear it connect. You'll start to hear it sound similar to the one I'm doing. Like if I go, nobody would go, oh man, that's the Feliz Navidad thing. It's when I go, that's when people go, oh yeah, it kind of sounds like that song. Now, so take it slow. Patience will help. All right, the next thing is, the next verse. I'm going down, snap, up. Now that snap is a bit of a backbeat I like to add into things. I'm still working out teaching it. So it's down, snap. And see the way my fingers again will ease off. Down, snap, up, down, snap. When I say snap, this hand releases and this hand is not actually strumming down fully, it goes in a bit. So now you're at like a 45-degree type of angle to the string. You're coming in that way. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. And you can do bar chords for that bit too, if you wish. That is the E major shape for the G, E major shape for the A. That's 5 on 5th fret here. And then we've 5th fret on A for the D major bar chord. Then we've B minor here. So you can swap all these around with bar chords if you have them. And if not, open chords are class as well. And that's all the song. And those are the main bits to watch out for. So a few bits that will work straight away, a few bits that you'll work a bit at, and those other bits, I like to have those too. They're like, I call those like long-term project bits where you might go, geez, I mightn't have that by this Christmas even, but I'll definitely get it in time. It's a fun rhythm used in many more things as well. So any questions, let me know, of course. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the likes and all the shares and all the comments on the videos, and I'll chat to you very soon.